Alright, newest project we're working on. We're doing a Harry Potter trunk. It's from my wife's sister. It's going to be for her baby shower to put all the toys and everything in while the kid's growing up. And she doesn't know it's coming because it's a surprise for her, so hopefully it turns out pretty good. I think it will. I don't have a design I'm going off of. I'm making it, I kind of all drew it up and I'm making it from scratch. The logos, I just got a Cricut, a vinyl cutter, so I'm going to be printing the logos out and transferring onto the wood, so we'll see how that turns out. Let's go ahead and let's get started. Alright, so we got it all glued up now. All the long sides, we gotta let it set overnight. If you are trying this project, make sure you put layers of something in between, cardboard, paper. I use this painter's tarp to cut it up, because otherwise all your boards will stick together. Same method I used in making all the flags. And so far it seems to be working pretty good for me, the biscuit joinery. Biscuit joint it, glue it, and then these pieces will be on the end to help secure it even more. And it'll give it a nice little touch. So we will come back once they're all done and dry fit it, and then start on the sides. Oh, here's that Harry Potter trunk we're working on. Trying to figure out how we want to set it up. Right now I got the hinges on top. There's a dry fit. It'll open like that. Gotta put the sides on still. But I'm just dry fitting it, trying to figure out which way we want to get it all set up. finished stage. Still have to put the stickers and logos on the outside. But we are 90% done with all the building and staining. Got a little touch up to do here and there from some fingerprints. Well, I think it came out really well. I'll show you the hinges on the back side. Now for the big reveal, because I know you're all waiting for it. So I decided to put her name's going to be Jocelyn. I decided to put that in the inside as a just something nice to do. It's a pretty good trunk. I'll in the comment section I'll write down the dimensions and everything so everyone knows what size it is. It's a pretty good build. Took about a week and a half, 2 weeks, about 30 to 40 hours. Most of that's just the sanding. But I assume if you had more time and didn't have a full-time job, then you'd be able to get it in a couple days. Took the longest was the sanding, going from 60 to 120 to 150 to 220. But if I don't get the video after we get the outside logos on, I'll take some pictures and then put them up there that way. But that was the fun build. I hope everyone enjoyed it as much as I did making it.